Cover the eggs in a saucepan with water. Fill about a quarter way of the cold water. Add a teaspoon of vinegar. Heat the pot on high heat and bring the water to a full rolling boil. Turn off the heat, keep the pan on a hot burner, cover, and let sit for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain the water from the pan and run cold water over the eggs to cool them quickly and stop them from cooking further. Peel the eggs. Slice the eggs in half lengthwise, removing yolks to a medium bowl and placing the egg whites on a serving platter. Mash the yolks into a fine crumble using a fork. Add 1/4 cup mayonnaise. Add 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and freshly ground pepper to taste. Mix these ingredients. Evenly disperse heaping teaspoons of the yolk mixture into the egg whites. Sprinkle with paprika and serve. And there you have it, classic deviled eggs.